Welcome to today's video technical update presented by CMS Forex. It is Thursday, January 21st, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex markets. The greenback is starting to regain strength as well as the Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the pound dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar Japanese yen, pound yen, and the euro yen pairs. This video is being produced at about 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time near the close of the US session. Starting with the pound dollar pair, it has turned bearish after hitting 1.65 or nearing 1.65, and today's price action confirmed yesterday's reversal combination. So another bearish candlestick today to close below 1.62. This suggests a further decline to test our 1.57, 1.58 support area. The strength of today's decline also helps that probability. However, in the short term, we still have we may have some support here at 1.61, which is 61.8% retracement of this rally. So until we should stalk this pair until it declines and bottoms around here, 1.61, and see what kind of rally comes after that. If the rally is weak, then we may have a continuation, but if the rally is able to break this trend line and establish some kind of a higher top, higher bottom, then we actually may retest our resistance zone here at 1.67, 68 area. So there's the two scenario. One is a bearish scenario that would go to 1.57, and to confirm that would be a break of this trend line here, a break below the 1.61 area. But if this is supported and there's a aggressive rally to follow, then we may have to adjust that outlook to a bullish one. The greenback is also displaying strength against the Aussie, which has recently been one of the stronger currencies. At the moment, today's price action broke some short-term support lines and is suggesting further decline to test the 0.8850 here, 78.6% retracement area. So in the short term, the outlook seems to be a test of this retracement zone, and there may be some bullish action coming out of that. Now, with that bullish action, it may be important to check what kind of whether it will be aggressive or whether it can be held under this 0.9150 area. So this whole area here, if a rally from here can be held and tops off here, then we may have further decline. And looking at the daily time frame, that decline may reach to the all the way to the 0.85 area, or even slightly below that 0.8350 area. Okay, and that would be testing our 200-day moving average, which is an important test. If the market breaks that, then we have a major bearish signal. But the market has yet, since May of last year, has yet tested our moving average. So now it may be a chance for the market to show whether or not it wants to reverse and come down to one of these retracement levels down here. If you could project that, like here, 0.74 area, or whether or not the market will hold here at 0.85, suggesting a further rally and another attempt to break the 0.94-95 area. Okay. Following up with the dollar-yen pair, yesterday we had this projection, which is a bearish Gartley to the 91.80 area, and today the market declined from there aggressively to test our support area, short-term support area here. And with this type of decline, it looks like the market may be able to break that, but until then, we still have the support. So in the short term, there may be some rally in the Asian session, but there's a high probability of a break. Now looking at the daily, a break means or suggests a second leg to this decline, which would go down to the 88.6570 area, which is a 78.6% retracement, and that would be a completed Gartley and possible rally from there. A rally from there may test and may break our trend line here. So that's the short to intermediate term outlook for now. And also, you see the market initially showed some reversal signal, but now looks like it might cross back and continue for another leg. So that's the momentum indicator also confirming. Here's a follow-up of the pound yen pair. Yesterday we noted that the market was congesting and it's struggling to reach that 153 area. So we adjusted the outlook and anticipated a possible break to the bottom. And that's exactly what happened today. You see, after this, after testing here the 1.4950 area, you see this Gartley pattern. Let me remove this projection for now. You see a Gartley completed A, B, C, D, and then the market was poised to come down. And today this candlestick was a very strong indication of bearish mode. But we are still at this consolidation support. So until this breaks, we can't establish a short-term, a bearish outlook yet. But that outlook would be to retest the 140 area support area. So if the market does have one more decline, it has steam for further decline, then the next support level is 140. The Japanese yen is also strengthening against the euro. As you can see in this daily chart, the market is now testing a long-term range support at 127, 126. So this range here, and it may come even further down to below 126 here. So yeah, for clear out action. So at the moment it's very aggressive, the decline, but we can't establish a longer term bearish outlook yet. But that's what the next few days will tell us, whether or not the market is able to bottom here. And the price action is suggestive of a break, but that's just anticipation. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, you see the previous attempts here to break below 127 has been rejected very strongly, but today price action is coming down and the market is not able to reject this decline. So that makes me think that this time around it has a better chance of breaking, but so that would mean a bullish outlook would need some more confirmation. Okay, so in this range you may want to look for some kind of break of these trend lines, and also reestablishment of support after a bullish signal. So you may want to caution against just one bullish signal because of the strength of the bearish action so far. Okay, so that's the euro yen pair. And that wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more fundamental and technical updates as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex, wishing you good trading.